Mathematics Part 2, Chapter 1, Basic Concepts in Geometry. Introduction. Did you recognize the adjacent picture? It is a picture of pyramids in Egypt, built 3000 years before Christian era. How the people were able to build such huge structures in so old time? It is not possible to build such huge structures without developed knowledge of geometry and engineering. Geometry. The word itself suggests the origin of the subject. It is generated from the Greek words geo, which means earth, and metria, which means measuring. So it can be guessed that subject must have evolved from the need of measuring the earth, that is land. Geometry was developed in many nations in different periods and for different constructions. The first Greek mathematician Thales had gone to Egypt. It is said that he determined height of a pyramid by measuring its shadow and using properties of similar triangles. Ancient Indians also had deep knowledge of geometry. In Vedic period, people used geometrical properties to build altars. The book Sulba Sutra describes how to build different shapes by taking measurements with the help of a string. In course of time, the mathematician Aryabhat, Vaharamihir, Brahmaputra, Bhaskaracharya, and many others have given valuable contribution to the subject of geometry. Let's learn basic concepts in geometry, that is point, line and plane. We do not define numbers. Similarly, we do not define a point, line and plane also. These are some basic concepts in geometry. Lines and planes are set of points. Keep in mind that the word line is used in the sense straight line. Coordinates of points and distance. Observe the following number line. Here the point D on the number line denotes the number 1. So it is said that 1 is the coordinate of point D. The point B denotes the number -3 on the line. Hence, the coordinate of point B is -3. Similarly, the coordinates of point A and E are -5 and 3 respectively. The point E is 2 units away from point D. It means the distance between point D and E is 2. Thus, we can find the distance between 2 points on a number line by counting number of units. The distance between points A and B on the above number line is also 2. Now let us see how to find distance with the help of coordinates of points. To find the distance between 2 points, consider their coordinates and subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger. The coordinates of point D and E are 1 and 3 respectively. We know that 3 is greater than 1. Therefore, distance between points E and D is equals to 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. The distance between points E and D is denoted as distance ED. This is same as length of ED, that is length of segment ED. Distance of ED is equals to 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Therefore, length of ED is equals to 2. Distance of ED is equals to length of ED, which is equals to 2. Similarly, distance of DE is also equals to 2. Distance of CD is equals to 1 minus of minus 2, which is equals to 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3. Therefore, distance of CD is equals to length of CD is equals to 3. Similarly, distance of DC is also equals to 3. Now let us find distance AB. The coordinate of A is minus 5 and that of B is minus 3. Here minus 3 is greater than minus 5. Therefore, distance AB is equals to minus 3 minus minus 5, which is equals to minus 3 plus 5, which is equals to 2. From the above example, it is clear that the distance between two distinct points is always a positive number. Note that if the 2 points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. Always remember the distance between the 2 points can be obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. The distance between any 2 points is a non-negative real number. Betweenness. If P, Q, R are 3 distinct collinear points, there are 3 possibilities. 1. Point Q is between P and R. 2. Point R is between P and Q. 3. Point P is between R and Q. If distance of PQ plus distance QR is equals to distance PR, then it is said that point Q is between P and R. The betweenness is shown as P-Q-R. Let's take an example. On a number line, point A, B and C are such that distance AB is equals to 5, distance of BC is equals to 11 and distance of AC is equals to 6. Which of the points is between the other two? Solution. Which of the points A, B and C is between the other two can be decided as follow. Distance of BC is given as 11. Let's mark it as 1. Distance of AB plus distance of AC is equals to 5 plus 6, which is also equals to 11. Let's mark it 2. Now from 1 and 2 we get distance of BC is equals to distance of AB plus distance of AC. Therefore, point A is in between point B and C.